Hello dear students, welcome back to e-classes of Statistics Standard 11. In this video, let's continue our next topic, that is sampling method. So there are three types of methods which we are going to study in this video. So let's have a look on three sampling methods. First one is simple random sampling. In this method, a sampling is done in which each unit of the population has an equal chance of being selected in the sample, that is called simple random sampling. For example, we can say that if your class teacher wants to select the class monitor from 40 students, then a lottery method or a lucky draw method is to be done for such random sampling. So, in a box, chits are kept and randomly any chit will be taken out and that will be the class monitor. So all the 40 students are getting equal chance to be selected. So that is called simple random sampling. Here in the diagram you can see that a random sampling is done. So in the whole population each unit is getting equal chance to be selected. That is called simple random sampling. Simple random sampling is convenient when population is homogeneous and the results obtained are reliable. Homogeneous means the same kind of population. So that is convenient when it is same kind of population. Second is stratified random sampling. When the population is heterogeneous, it is first divided into different strata of homogeneous nature. A random sample is independently drawn from each stratum and random samples so obtained from all strata are combined to get a sample called a stratified random sample, and the method selecting such a sample is called stratified random sampling. This is convenient when the population is heterogeneous. So in the diagram also you can see the whole population is heterogeneous. One is flower, other is black star and the other one is white star. So the whole population is heterogeneous kind of, different kind of, and then it is first divided into groups. Homogeneous nature, group of homogeneous nature, that means of same nature will be in one group, then of another nature will be in second group, of third nature will be in third group. That is called stratum 1, stratum 2 and stratum 3. And from that group or stratum, sample is selected. So from stratum 1, sample 1 is selected, from stratum 2, sample 2 is selected, and stratum 3, sample 3 is selected. All three combined together makes a stratified random sampling. So this is clear that stratified random sampling is useful when the population is heterogeneous. Third sampling method is systematic sampling. In this method, if the complete list of population units is available and the units are arranged in some systematic manner, then this method of sampling is useful. We'll determine the sampling interval k. A random number is selected from the units of sampling interval and will select every kth unit. Therefore, set of such selected unit is called systematic sample, and the method of drawing such a sample is called systematic sampling. Suppose we have numbers here in this diagram or picture image, you can see that suppose there are numbers from 1 to n. Here there are numbers from 1 to 40. So the capital N, the whole population is 40. We have to select a sample size that will be called small n. So the formula is k is equals to n upon n, population upon sample. Here the population is 40 and n is 5. So 40 by 5 is 8. So 3, 11, 19, 27, 35 is your systematic sample. So these are called systematic sampling. So here we are done with three methods of sampling. Go through the topic, revise it thoroughly. Thank you.